Hey y'all, so I'm making a trial. I'm doing a trial run, and I'm going to make a pecan praline. Well, it's a yellow cake, but pecan praline icing. This is a very sweet recipe, so it's not diabetic friendly. So it's something that you have to eat. You know, you can't do a lot of it. But anyway, I'm trying this recipe because my daughter buys a cake every year at Thanksgiving. And it's $30. So I'm trying to mimic that recipe here on a budget and see what it comes out, how it comes out. All right. Okay, so we're going to start by creaming the butter. And gradually adding the sugar. Okay, it says add your eggs one at a time. You want to beat each egg until it's completely incorporated with your butter and your sugar. So we're going to start adding our flour and milk alternately. Uh-oh. Making a mess here. And I'll come back when I'm finished. Okay, here's what my batter looks like. And they say to put 2 cups of cake batter in each 9-inch cake pan. And this is going to be a 3-layer cake. Okay, I'm going to do that and I'll bring you back when my cakes are finished. Okay, so here we're making the caramel sauce. So what I've done here, it says to melt 2 sticks of butter. But the thing I had was the half sticks. So once the butter is melted, we're going to add 2 cups of packed brown sugar. Let's turn this up a little bit. Let that melt. With 1/8 of a cup of salt. Okay, now we're going to add the brown sugar. And I like to use a wooden spoon when I'm making things like this. And so they said you add the brown sugar, and then when it starts boiling, I think it said you boil it for 2 minutes. And I'll link the recipe because it's actually a recipe I'm using off of Genius Kitchen. A lot of their recipes I use, they're really good. Okay. Once it starts boiling, oops. Boil it for 2 minutes. Once it boils for 2 minutes, then we're going to slowly add the evaporated milk. And